In this video, we'll make the file to submit the 3D bike and texture. We'll begin by opening up the PSD file that was provided, and we'll start by putting our name in the lower right-hand corner. Next, I'm going to open up the PSD in which we made the texture for the 3D bike. In my texture file, I'll go to the layer window, and I'll make sure that that UV map is off. That is the black lines that you see that define the geometry inside of Maya. I'll now go to Select All or Command A. I'll copy or Command Shift C to copy merged to get all the layers. And then I'll click on the layout with our name and hit Command V to paste. Now I'm going to scale to fit in the box on the right-hand side of the template. Hitting Command T, grabbing a corner. If I hold the Option, it scales from the middle out. Now we'll merge all the layers together. I'll Shift Select, and in the upper right-hand corner of the layer window, I can choose Merge Layers, or you can hit Command or Control E on the keyboard. Now we'll open up the GIF that came with the layout. With the GIF file selected, I'll Shift Select all the frames, drag and drop them into the left-hand side of the layout we're working in. And now I'll go up to Window, and I'll go to Timeline. I'll click on Create Video Timeline, and in the lower left-hand corner, I'll click on the three little white boxes. Make sure to change the first frame from 5 seconds to no delay. And then in the right-hand corner of the timeline, clicking on the white lines, you'll see the option to make frames from layers. And now we'll see that we've got all those frames inside of that. Now we need to go in and delete the first frame. I'll click on the trash can and hit yes. Now I'm going to make sure that the background layer is turned on in all the frames. Tapping my space bar, I should see something like this now. We'll Shift Select all of them, and where it says 0 seconds, we'll click and we'll put 2. Now we'll have a 2-second hold for each of the frames. To export as an MP4, I'll go to File, and I'll go to Export and Render Video. I'll name it and direct it to my folder. Check to make sure that this is what your results are.